Good morning, everybody. It's Alex with Master Odor Removal. It's Saturday. I'm in a beautiful area in Boca called Broken Sound. Super upscale luxury home neighborhood. We're servicing this home today, only part of it, for Florida Building Syndrome. They said the door is open for me. Yes, it is. So here it is. So there's a real strong musty odor in this Casita, this mother-in-law house. They've taken down the blinds. Yeah, and I haven't been here in a couple days. I did an inspection with the owners. But yeah, it just is a musty odor. Apparently this was left closed without the air conditioning on for quite a while. They're actually supposed to take those blinds down. They didn't do that. Anyway, we're going to service the ceiling, the walls, the floors especially. This type of tile is extremely porous. Gives a bacteria a place to breed microscopic bacteria. And so we're just going to bring everything back down to neutral. We might service the sofa. Just a weird coincidence. That's exactly the same sofa that I own. Same color and everything. Here's the bathroom. They just redid this bathroom. And now that I'm thinking about it, they put this new, it's like a tile. They put this on the walls recently. So I'm hoping that the bacteria isn't behind these walls, but it should be just fine. Just a lovely little mother-in-law house, a Casita. Here's the closet. Here is the this little plunge pool area. And that's really basically it. We're going to get all our stuff and start working. The owners aren't here yet. I got here a little early. They left the door open for me. They just moved in. Pretty much. So they're still doing painting and whatnot. We are luxury home odor removal specialists, and we do look forward to earning your business as well. Thanks for viewing.